This is Professor Akshak Sood. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to study about the concept of the various cloud deployment models and cloud services. This topic comes under Internet of Things. Our reference book is Internet of Things, Architecture and Design Principles by Raj Kamal. Now basically there are four cloud deployment models. The first being the public cloud, then we have the private cloud, community cloud which is specific to a group of people, and hybrid cloud which encompasses the features of all the three clouds. We have different cloud service providers globally. The most significant amongst them are Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, VMware, to name a few. Now public cloud. What is public cloud? It's a technology where a resource is provided as a service through the internet to a user. For example, when we use Google free services like Gmail, Google Doc or Google Drive, so here all our data is stored in the cloud, that is in a server somewhere in the world where they have a data center. For example, Jio, its data center is located in Ghansoli. So it can provide cloud services to different applications. It can be provisioned by educational institutes, industries, government institutions, business, enterprise. Private cloud. The second one is private cloud. We use it to store certain mission critical data. For example, the contents and user interface of Google Docs is available to everyone, but not the backend code which they use. Like, take the example of Uber Cabs, which will use a private cloud via some third party to store their data. Again, it can be used by industries, institutions, business, enterprise, but used for private usage only. Third is community cloud. It's built and operated specifically for a targeted group. These communities have similar cloud requirements, and their ultimate goal is to work together to achieve their business objectives. For example, you have a private chat room. This will come under community cloud. Or a closed community Facebook group, which is specific to a certain group of people having common interest in that concerned topic. The fourth is hybrid cloud. It can be considered as a set of two or more different clouds like public, private, or a combination of these and community. These will have distinct data stores and applications that are binding between them to deploy the proprietary or standard technology. For your reference, the top 10 cloud service providers I have listed here, the topmost being Microsoft Azure. Then we have Alibaba Cloud, we have Google Cloud, we have IBM Cloud, and so on and so forth. Hey friends, I will strongly recommend you to read the book that I mentioned. Also share this content with maximum people. Don't forget to type in your valuable comments and takeaways from my video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel for regular updates. Thank you so much. Happy learning.